Look at your hands. Soft palms, smooth skin, nails that break when you open a package wrong. These are the hands of someone who has never really needed them. Your ancestor had different hands. Thicker, harder, scarred before the age of 10. Hands that could crush, climb, carry, and kill without a single day of training. And the gap between those hands and yours is one of the most revealing stories in all of human biology. Ancient humans were not just slightly stronger than you. They were built differently, fundamentally, at the level of bone density, muscle fiber, and joint structure. Researchers studying skeletal remains from prehistoric populations consistently find bones so dense, so reinforced, that modern humans almost never produce anything comparable, even elite athletes. Anthropologist Wolf Schiefenhövel has studied isolated populations that still live close to traditional hunter-gatherer lifestyles. The physical capacity of these groups, their grip strength, endurance, load-bearing ability, far exceeds what modern fitness culture considers peak performance. A man who has never seen a gym carrying a deer carcass 20 miles home is not unusual. It is Tuesday. But here is what most people get wrong. Ancient humans were not stronger because they tried harder. They were stronger because their bodies had no choice. Every single day was a physical negotiation with the environment. You either moved or you did not eat. You either carried or you did not survive. The body responds to demand. Your ancestors placed enormous demand on it every day from childhood without interruption. Your body, by contrast, sits in a chair. The science behind this is called the mechanotransduction response. Your bones and muscles are not static. They remodel constantly in response to physical stress. Apply load, they grow denser. Remove load, they thin. Biologist Daniel Lieberman at Harvard has spent decades studying this process and found something striking. The skeletons of pre-agricultural humans show bone density and musculature that modern humans simply do not develop. Not because the genes are gone, but because the trigger never comes. The blueprint is still in you. It just never gets activated. This changed approximately 10,000 years ago. Agriculture arrived. Humans stopped moving constantly and started staying in one place. The physical demands of daily life dropped sharply, and within just a few generations, the skeleton changed. Bones thinned. Muscle attachment points shrank. The jaw narrowed because food was softer. The body, supremely efficient, stopped building what it no longer needed. You are not weaker because evolution failed you. You are weaker because evolution worked perfectly. It built a body that conserves energy wherever possible, stops investing in expensive tissue the moment demand drops, and redirects resources toward whatever the current environment actually requires. Your ancestors needed strength the way you need Wi-Fi. Constantly, everywhere, non-negotiable. The uncomfortable truth is that the hardware has not changed. Your genome is not meaningfully different from a human who lived 40,000 years ago. The capacity for that bone density, that grip strength, that physical resilience is still coded inside you. What is missing is not the ability, it is the demand. Every time you take an elevator instead of stairs, your body notes the absence of demand and scales back accordingly. Every time you sit for 8 hours, your bones receive the same quiet signal. Not a punishment, just an update. The body is always listening, always adjusting, always becoming exactly what the environment asks it to be. Your ancestors were stronger because the world asked more of them. And your body, even now, is still waiting to be asked.